This video primarily demonstrates the plane extraction operation in CoProcess software. The purpose of plane extraction is to draw the plan outline of a building structure. 1. Click the Slice function and select an appropriate position to slice the point cloud. 2. Adjusting slice position. Switch the view tool to D-mode. Use Ctrl plus mouse wheel to adjust the slice position. Shift plus wheel to adjust slice thickness. Position the slice so the building outline is fully visible. Three. Drawing planar contour lines. Rectangular selection. Draw a bounding box to enclose the sliced point cloud. Double-click to finish. The software will automatically recognize the planar contour, generate corresponding contour lines. Tracking. In the viewport, click two points to define the initial edge direction of the planar contour. Click the next point to define the direction of the subsequent edge, intersecting with the previous edge. Continue drawing as needed. Press Enter in the view to finish. Or right-click and select Confirm to complete the plane contour drawing. Vector paths are closed by default. To draw non-closed vectors, right-click and uncheck Auto Close. During drawing, right-click and select Undo Point, or use the shortcut key U to undo one point. The default is 2D drawing. In trace mode, both 2D drawing and 3D drawing constrain vector elevations to the same plane throughout the drawing process.